Renting a car in Chicago, a step-by-step guide. Renting a car in Chicago has been a popular option for travelers for many years. Whether you're visiting the Windy City for a business trip, road trip, or vacation, having a vehicle at your disposal can be a great way to explore all of the attractions and sights that the city has to offer. In this article, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to rent a car in Chicago. We'll cover important topics including how to choose a reliable car rental agency, what documents you will need to submit, what types of vehicles are available, and tips on where to rent a car. By following these steps, you can easily make your car rental experience in Chicago a smooth and enjoyable one. 1. Choose a reliable car rental agency. The first step to renting a car in Chicago is to choose a reliable car rental agency. There are many car rental companies in Chicago, so it's important to research and find one that has a good reputation and offers competitive rates. You can do this by looking up customer reviews online or asking friends and family for recommendations. Once you have narrowed down your choices, you should contact the car rental agencies directly to compare prices and ask any questions you may have. Compare prices and offers at claviscar.com. 2. Submit required documents. Once you have chosen a car rental agency, the next step is to submit the required documents. Typically, you will need to provide a valid driver's license and credit card. It's important to note that some car rental agencies may have additional requirements such as proof of insurance or a deposit. You should contact the agency directly to confirm what documents they require. 3. Choose the right vehicle. When renting a car in Chicago, you want to make sure you choose the right vehicle for your needs. There are different types of vehicles available such as sedans, SUVs, minivans, and luxury vehicles. It's important to consider the seating capacity, fuel economy, and other features when selecting a vehicle. You should also read through the specific terms and conditions as some car rental agencies may have restrictions on who can drive the vehicle. 4. Understand the policies. Before signing any paperwork, make sure you understand the car rental policies. These policies may include a minimum age requirement, mileage restrictions, and other rules. Knowing the policies beforehand will help you avoid any issues or fees at the time of rental. 5. Know where to rent the car. Finally, you should decide where you want to rent the car. Most car rental companies have offices in downtown Chicago as well as at the airports. However, you may be able to find cheaper rates at off-airport locations. You can also look into car share services such as Zipcar or Car2Go, which allow you to rent a vehicle for as little as an hour. By following these steps, you can easily rent a car in Chicago and make sure you have a reliable and cost-effective way to get around the city. Renting a car in Chicago can be a great way to explore all of the city's attractions and make sure you have a great time on your trip. Thanks for watching.